Passmore Emblem. He won the Kentucky Derby at the Preakness 2002. The problem was in the stud. Okay, all right.
He says, if you want me to stand here, feed me. Whoa.
Sorry, but that's,
There's one more. Oh.
See, Michael is the one who
Feeds him and loves on him. Oops. Oh, there you go. You're going to be a picture yet.
Okay, well, the problem is, when he was in the breeding shed, at first he did great. And he produced over, I don't know how many different, like almost 200 stakes winners. But then it's kind of like the well went dry. And he got real particular. He would only want to be with small chestnut colored man. Same color as Carlin. He liked that color, and he wouldn't do it with any of the others. And then he stopped with that. So he was like, I'm done.
His testosterone was low.
Well, and the bottom line is they ended up, contacting Michael.
Thank goodness they didn't send him to the slaughterhouse.